I'm looking at a bearing of 179.
Interesting. Okay. All right. In this case, so this is the first experiment. This is the control group. The control
Okay.
group is basically you holding down your action button right now, and
Okay.
so long as I kind of inch towards you, you should be able to hop on.
Uh-huh. We'll see what happens.
Executing experiment 1 now.
All right, it works.
I'll shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. This next experiment, I'm gonna go at full speed, but not turbo. Okay. I want to see if you can
Okay.
hop on. I'm gonna drive towards you and as well as slightly perpendicular away from you.
Okay.
My job is to control to be as close to you as possible, but not too far. 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Got your 6.
All right.
Let's
Wow,
do
that's amazing. This is good. Okay.
this. Bounce
That was the second experiment.
Okay.
Actually, if that's the case, then full speed is good. But you know
Someone's
what?
gotta
Let me
take out
just
the
try
new
half
kill leader.
speed.
They're
Let
too
me just try
cocky.
half speed.
Okay.
Half speed. Half speed. Half speed.
Hitching a
All
ride.
right.
Nice.
Let's get moving.
Okay.
A ring's closing in.
Okay.
A ring's closing
You
in
can do it
1.
now. Okay, get off.
Okay.
On foot from here.
I'm gonna try my best at 75, maintaining 75, maintaining 75.
Twice the distance
Nice.
in half the time.
If it works at 100, it'll work at anything less than
I
that.
understand,
45
but
seconds.
scientific
Rinse
method, you gotta try it
On
out.
foot from
Now this time,
Okay.
I'm gonna go turbo and full speed. Full speed, turbo.
All right. Whoa.
Holy
all right.
goodness, dude! You can actually, nice, nice. Okay, Lettuce, I really appreciate it. So this confirms that so long as I control, basically if I hover over you, basically, or at least looking at where you're standing on. Now, go ahead and get off.
my stop.
Go
Okay.
ahead and
It's on. Ring's moving.
now try to run southwest. No, okay, yeah, try to run southwest.
Okay.
And hold down action button. I want to see it. No, yeah, keep going, running. I want to see if I
Alright.
can get onto you.
Hitching
It
a
works.
ride.
Wow.
Let's get
Okay.
Okay.
This is good. This is good. Now get off. Get off.
All right.
moving. Far
Okay.
enough.
Do it again.
Jumping out here.
I need you to run that same direction. Run that same direction. I'm gonna try and see if I can pick you up using.
Okay.
Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Keep
Running.
going. Okay. I'm gonna boost now.
All right.
Nice,
There we
dude.
go.
This is good. This is good. Okay.
Okay.
Let's just keep practicing. Okay, get off. I want you to
Okay.
run in
My
that
stop.
direction now.
Over and out.
Which turn? Where's it on the menu? Okay, I see it.
Basically, run away from the circle. Okay, so you're
I see your
running.
marker.
Somebody's firing. I'm gonna try and get to you. I'm gonna turbo boost. Nope, I can't.
Oh.
Okay, so but keep going. Keep running. So as long as I can get to you. Oh, you're lagging. Okay, keep going. No, keep going.
Okay.
Keep going this way.
Might be something good there.
Okay.
Keep that.
Not taking a break.
Running
just
towards the
watching
marker.
that spot.
Yep. All right. So long as I can get to you.
Huh.
Okay, so I have to be perpendicular. So keep
Okay,
going,
okay.
keep going.
All right.
So then keep going.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
You want me to turn around?
Yep, keep going, keep going.
All right.
Nope. Keep going this way.
How about this way?
Keep going this way.
Not taking a break, just watching this spot.
Okay. I mean, it's not flat surface. Let me get to the other side. All right. Here we go.
Okay, action.
All right.
Twice the
Okay.
distance in
Nice,
half the
okay.
time. I'm in.
So basically it's this. So long as you can pay attention and have, basically, it's not just me doing it. It's not just me like positioning it. You also have to make the effort to get onto it. Is that correct? Does that sound tentatively accurate?
Yeah.
Okay.
I still have to press the action button.
No,
so-
yes, you have to press the action. By the way, you are holding down the action. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone's
Let's
gotta
try
check out
this
the new
one.
kill leader. They're too cocky.
Go ahead and get off right
Champions out,
now.
huh?
All right. I hear
Keep going
gunfire.
on this road. Keep going on this
That's
road.
it.
Pretending
I'm
that you're on fire. Okay. You're taking
Okay.
under fire. Now I'm gonna come towards you, and you're gonna try and get onto me. On your right. Go.
Hitching
Okay.
a ride.
Nice. And then we fold down. Got it. Okay. One last time. Get on this water. Get off. Now
All right.
run
Check
in
out
that
over there.
direction.
That's
Okay.
it for me.
Run that
Running.
direction.
Bouncing.
You're in fire. I'm gonna try and get to you. I'm gonna time it. You come to me. Nice.
Distance in
And then
half the
boom.
time. I'm in.
turbo out. Okay, now,
Okay.
I want to try to see what we can run this one. Go ahead and go onto
They're
here.
sitting ducks and never mind. Forget
Okay.
that.
Onto here.
That's it
Run
for me.
towards
Let's check it out
run
there.
towards the cliff. Run towards the cliff
Alright.
on that
Running towards-
direction, but don't look
Right,
at
right.
me. Make it as if I have to do all the effort, okay? And now hold down,
Alright.
hold down, hold down.
Got your
Uh-huh.
6.
Okay,
Let's
so
do this.
if I do the effort and if you don't pay attention, it could still work. If you pay attention and I focus my effort, we can both succeed. I think that's the technique. I think that's the thesis slash hypothesis slash
Oh, under fire.
yeah.
I know where it's coming from.
I mean, pretty much. I mean, we're not really playing this one, so we don't. I don't mind, Anyway.
Give my shields a recharge.
Alright.
Okay. Last experiment. Go over here.
Something
Okay.
good there.
Run towards that
Jumping
place
out
with
here.
all the
Alright.
color. You are gonna
Okay.
get under fire. So,
Alright. Should I kill it?
no, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Okay.
I'm gonna go. I'm coming from your left. Go ahead and on.
Got your
Okay.
6. Let's do this.
Nice. Okay. So basically, my job, I think it's this. If
We're
I
inside
can
the
tell
ring.
you what
Got the
direction
positional
I'm
advantage.
coming from, and I commit to it, and if so long as you just need to make the slightest
Eyes up.
effort
Incoming
in
replicator.
preparing yourself, in other words, holding down your action button to get picked up, we are golden. When
Okay.
it comes to hot evacuations via the car.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's just try this one more time. Go ahead and hop
Be
on
something
here.
good there.
Okay.
My
Run
stop.
towards that hill.
Over and out.
Pretend you're
Running.
under fire. I'm gonna try
Alright.
and turbo towards you, coming from your right side. Coming in now.
Oh.
Okay. So that doesn't work. That doesn't work. I probably have to be in normal speed to make it easier. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Running.
On your right. On your right. Action. Action. Action.
Ah. Okay. Alright. Running alongside
Half the
the
squads are left.
ring.
Okay. Right side.
On your
Right side. On your right. On your right. On your right.
Got your
There we go.
6. Let's
Nice.
do this.
Alright, just gotta get the timing right.
Is it timing? Because all you need to do is hold down. We've confirmed this theory.
Yeah. We just have to be close enough for the action to work.
Okay, but I am like, okay, let me see if I can just run over you.
Yeah,
Okay, go
and
ahead.
maybe get the-
get off and run.
and maybe
towards
the-
Check it over
this,
there.
area.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna run over you. Okay.
I ran into the pole.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna run
Okay.
over you. I want to see if that works.
Okay.
I'm running over you, Lettuce. Running over you.
Oh, it doesn't work.
Ring's close.
Looks like
I
I
have to be on the side. Okay, let me.
Yeah.
So Lettuce, position yourself where you're kind of running diagonally on the side when I say on your right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Running. Side, right side, right side, right side.
There you go.
Got it. Okay,
45.
let's do it again.
Hitching a
Hop
ride.
off,
How about this
hop off.
way?
Let's get moving.
Okay.
On foot from here.
Run down there as well. I'm gonna do your left this time, okay? All right.
Okay.
Let us on your left. On your left. On your left.
Oh, I forgot to hold the action button.
Oh, you forgot to hold. No worries. No worries. Okay. Hold it down. On your
Alright.
left. On your left.
Okay. Ah. Okay. Looks like elevation matters too.
Okay.
There you go.
So if I can,
Let's do this.
so basically, here's what I did that last one. I basically at least temporarily hit brake, boom, and then I resumed. And I think that seemed to work. Go ahead and get off.
Okay.
Far
Run
enough.
in
This
that
way.
Jumping
direction.
out here.
All right.
Okay. I'm gonna
Wake
temporarily hold
up,
down
ring's
brake.
moving. That thing hurts.
Okay.
Twice the
this seems
distance
to
in
work.
half the
Good,
time.
good.
I'm in.
Okay, now get off.
Might be something good
Okay.
there.
Run in
Far
that
enough.
direction again.
Jumping out here.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it down. So I'm
Alright.
gonna be on your left and holding down brake.
Okay.
Brake.
There you go.
Nice. Okay. I think this is a because you know what I'm doing. Right? I'm trying to
Care
establish
package incoming.
consistency.
Y'all learn
Uh-huh.
this.
All right, now
Just
get
watch
out.
your backs.
Get out.
Okay.
My stop.
Same thing.
Over and
Just
out.
in that direction. This time
Okay.
I'm gonna be on your right.
All right.
On your right. On your right. On your right.
Okay.
All right. Let's get
So it looks like when you're close enough, I just gotta turn to get that angle.
And then to ensure consistency, I also hold down brake just good enough.
Okay.
So
It may work even without you braking,
That's
but
it for me.
yeah.
I'm
Okay,
bouncing.
then let me do the running then. Or you do the running, and I'm gonna
Okay.
go on your right. On your right. On your right. On your right.
All right, there you go.
Distance and half the
Okay.
Got it,
time.
okay.
I'm in.
So basically, you have to make the effort too. Okay, get off.
Okay.
My stop.
Same direction.
Over and out.
Go to that spot.
Might be something
Okay.
good there.
On your right. On your right. On your right. On your right.
Okay.
Got your 6.
Got it.
Let's do this.
And of course, these are always hot. These are hot extractions. Let's say if I was here.
Might
Okay,
be something
go
good
in hot-
there.
Okay.
On foot
Now
from here.
pretend you're shooting there. Don't actually shoot, but just like aim with your weapon.
Okay.
So basically, so long as I can.
Already in the next ring. I smell victory.
So long. Okay. Fire.
Smells
Fire.
like-
Fire. Okay. Lettuce. I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. Right behind you. Get on. Get on. Get on.
Hit you in the
Nice.
back. Get moving.
We can get out.
Check out that replicator coming in.
I mean, not see, but like, that's essentially what I can do. So here's the thing. Lettuce, what this does is that, here, go ahead and get off.
All right.
Pretend
from
you're
here.
firing. I'm going to say I'm right behind you, okay? So
Okay.
this way, instead of
Right.
having to do this where I drive, you're firing, I'm right
Right.
behind you, and then I
Behind.
stop,
Twice the
you
distance
get on,
half the
and then I
time.
go.
I'm in.
What this accomplishes, Lettuce, is if you're here, okay, go ahead and get off.
Okay.
Far enough. Jumping out here.
I'm gonna drive without stopping, okay? When I say right behind you, that means hold down the action button and then look behind, obviously.
Okay.
All right. Driving. You're under fire. You're about to get overblown. Now I'm
shooting.
right behind you.
Oh, okay. So it looks like if you.
I was too high. No,
Yeah.
but then if you're down low and you're firing, and behind you.
Got your 6.
Okay.
Got
Let's
it.
do this.
Okay. And that way we can push down, escape. Alrighty.
Rings next door. 45.
Hey, Lettuce, really appreciate the practices here, man. I think this would
My pleasure.
be good. Not evidence, but it would be good. These are good experiments for us to know what's this car's capabilities and how do we maximize its capabilities.
My
So,
stop.
yeah,
Over
I
and
think
out.
we're good.